if anybody's looking for a house husband, this is my application. You know, when something bad happens in life, it's always important to remember that it's just one part of your life. Just like when you read a book, it's one chapter, not the whole book. So move on forward and flip to the next chapter of your life. Hey everybody, I'm so happy to see you here. I wanted to show you guys how to make the best chicken ever. So to be honest, whenever I cook in the kitchen, as you guys see from my stories, I do a lot of cooking. I don't follow recipes, I follow my heart, you know? That's what a true chef would do. Actually, I should probably explain the ingredients I'm putting in. So as you know, I already skipped some stuff, but I'm trying to make some sort of like garlic, spicy, ketchup, gochujang wings or like drumsticks. So I put ketchup, gochujang, garlic, salt, pepper, all your basic seasonings as well as sugar, and just really mix it up. But I think the key ingredients here would really be that garlic as well as that gochujang and a little bit of ketchup just to bind everything together and give it a little bit of that tangy kick. So here I'm just gonna be mixing up the chicken, and I do this with the gloves because I don't really like touching the raw meat. I'd be able to because I'm a man, you know, and like tall king energy. But I use gloves, but just mix it up and really get all of that sauce in there. Now, doesn't this chicken look amazing? Like, it looks amazing. Wow. Now I'm just gonna be packaging it up in a bag, and I'm probably gonna freeze it and cook it at another time, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks too good. That was too good. Now I'm cleaning up like a real man should. If anybody's looking for a house husband, this is my application. Now guys, this is the chicken. Look, it looks amazing and it tasted amazing. I also, as you can see here, put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, but it's amazing. You have to try this out. Just follow your heart, okay? Put some gochujang, ketchup, wherever the heck you want, and I think it's gonna make a great recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next. Bye.